Hello everyone, welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce and welcome to SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Manmeet Kaur, will be continuing with the subject of Rural Marketing for SYBMS Marketing Specialization Semester 4, will be continuing with the Module 2 which is concerned with Rural Marketing Environment. So what is rural market environment? It is a complex and it keeps on changing continuously. When the marketing activities are done in rural areas or the market enters into rural people sector, it is necessary to know the conditions of the market. So in rural market we have that kind of consumers which are conservative, they are not ready to take the experiment or to experiment on different kind of products very quickly. An overview for rural market environment can be shown as it is very expertise or expanded kind of wide kind of environment that we have. The growth of population is more, the density of living or the standard of living is comparatively less. So we have to start from the basic thing. We have to target one by one each kind of environment and we have to find the solution to the problems. Low literacy, the multiplicity of languages, unemployment, underemployment, slow growth, low purchasing power, and the standard of living is also less. So we have to find the solution to all these problems when we are going to make rural marketing of our product. The very first market that we have to see is demographic environment. It refers to distinct characteristics of population. Researchers use demographic analysis to analyze whole society or just groups depending on the sample size that we want to take. The demographics can be of the age, gender, education, nationality, ethnicality or their culture, religion, to name a few. So population, occupation pattern or income sector, literacy rate, these are the demographic environment that we see. So if our product is a luxury kind of product, if we want to market about a refrigerator in rural market, so maybe we are not thinking wisely, because refrigerator is a kind of commodity, is a luxury commodity which maybe in rural sector is not possible to handle. It will drain or pull the electricity, the environment may not be there for refrigerator. So we have to make sure that our product is of kind where all the environments are suitable for it. Economic environment. The economy of India is the 7th largest in the world by nominal GDP and 3rd largest by purchasing power parity, which means as the population is more, we have the capacity to purchase the products also. But with that, we are of conservative mind. We don't want to experiment. So there the problem arises. The country classified as newly industrialized country, one of G20 major economies, a member of BRICS and developing economy. We keep on making the strategies in such a way that we make the development of a country as whole involving all the sectors. The large term growth perspective of Indian economy is moderately positive. We are putting our efforts in such a way that we can see many positive effects. But due to its young population, there are some contrasts which depends on low literacy rate, low dependency ratio, health issues, lack of awareness, lack of opportunities. So with rural marketing, when we bring our product, we try to target this environment and find solution or provide the solution to rural population. Rural infrastructure. Infrastructure facilities are not comparatively more. The roads, the connectivity, communication network, these are not very fluent or smooth. The roads are not of concrete, they are of sand or of soil, rocks, which is not comfortable or which is not feasible for the products to be transported. Maybe there is also possibility the road connectivity is not there. If the production happens in urban city, that product is not able to reach the target consumers in the village due to infrastructure problem. So government keep on making some efforts for the development of rural sector, coming up with schemes and strategies to overcome these. Television coverage and the life received comparatively less attention in rural areas. Bharat Nirman was launched by the Government of India in 2005 for the development of rural sector, covering the following aspects, which is housing, electricity, roads, communication and water scenarios. So here by two ways we are able to connect urban and rural locations by waterways and also by the roadways. So what are rural consumers? The competition has increased in such a way that we have segregated the consumers of rural sector and urban sector. In the era of competition, understanding the consumer is very crucial. The expectation, where the consumer feels satisfaction, these things are very crucial to judge, to predict, to understand. Once we understand these elements properly, we are able to provide the solution which is always demanded by the consumer. The consumer behavior suggests how individual group or an organization select, buy, or what is their transaction behavior, how they dispose the goods, how often they opt for services of doctor or any other professional, what are the idea or what are the feedback experiences which when they ask for these services or the production. Rural areas are segregated and it is next to impossible to ensure the availability of all brands to reach the consumers. So it is not possible. So what we do, we try to substitute those branded products with another system or another particular product which provides the availability. The main thing is availability and satisfaction to our consumers. It is true that consumer of India is flourishing, but at the same time they are also keeping their roots firm, means they are not experimenting, they are not able to move very bravely into the experimenting sector. They keep their roots deep into their traditions and their ritual culture, which makes the Indian way very prominent. Characteristics of rural consumer is price sensitive. They are not very comfortable with prices which goes little bit expenses. They are rigid. They have their fixed mindset that we will not move for any other product. We will not experiment on something new. They are fearful. They are not able to trust the vendors or the organizations. They have their very rigid fixed routine of their lifestyle which they don't want to come out of. Media habits is not there. They are not able to communicate via media, or they are not able to stay updated with the help of media as urban sector stays. Shopping habits, purchasing decision depends on the income sector or the income capacity, the purchasing capacity. Financial position varies by the rural consumers. So the differentiation between urban and rural consumer is the rural consumer are very rigid and they are fixed on their terms. On the other hand, urban consumer, they are like, they see some new product in the rack of the supermarket, they say that we should try this. So they are more modern, scientific in approaches, and they love to experiment. The buying preferences of urban sector, urban consumer is like they want to move with the trend. So they try new things. But rural consumer does not try. Purchasing decisions are done rationally when we talk about urban consumers. On the other hand, rural consumers are more into their emotional zone where they want to make the decision to expend a little, spend a little more money or not. Exposure, urban consumers give exposure to many new products, but on the other hand, rural consumer does not open that door for us. They only limit themselves to particular products. They don't like to explore or comprehend, compensate the product existing in the market. Income or the income level of urban area is frequency depends on the individual or predictable on the regular intervals. Acute seasonality happens in rural areas, so the income is fluctuated according to the occupation, which is primarily farming. So rural consumer behavior process is in such a way that firstly they try to understand whether the product is of our choice or not, whether we should put the money into it, investment into it or not. Consumers pass through 6 stages while making the decision. In low involvement, rural and urban consumer may skip some of the stages. A woman buying her regular brand of daily use groceries will definitely need the grocery are the primary necessity. The purchases of the shop can skip by one to other. If one shop is not giving the particular product, we will move to another, but we will not let go of that product because it is necessity. So depending on the nature of the product also, the consumer behavior towards the purchasing also differs. It is in purchase of high involvement products that the rural consumer display different motives relating to the problem. As I mentioned, the consumers, they have a problem, they have a need that needs to be satisfied, and that is satisfied by the organizations who provide the product or the service. So it should be the solution to the problem. Stages is problem recognition. We should recognize or identify the problem. Information search, we find whole lot of information that can satisfy the want. We develop different kind of alternatives. We make a particular decision. We keep a backup. If anything goes wrong in particular product, we should have a backup. Purchase and post-purchase behavior depends on the services that are provided. After sale service of any electronic appliances or any grievances manually, if the consumer is not able to operate the product, all these things depend upon the after sale or during the sale process of the product. So the factors which affect rural consumer behavior is environment. As we learned about 3 kind of environment, so environment affects the consumer. The geographic location, whether the product are available or are distributed in that zone or not, that influence. Family, income sector, the place of purchase or the consumption, where the product is going to be set or consumed in a particular position, particular location, that is in our favor or not. Multiple use of product, we can use the product in multiple zones. Brand preference and loyalty, we try to build that. If I am loyal to the phone brand of Samsung, then I may be possibly purchase the same brand when I need the phone. I will not experiment on some other brand. So this is a brand loyalty or the preference that we show. Cultural influences, awareness to urban lifestyle, the lifestyle of urban sector. As being a rural consumer, we may observe and we try to adapt, but there is a possibility that our budget may not support that. So these factors influence the consumer behavior for purchasing the product, which we have to make sure during our marketing strategy, during our marketing, promotion and advertising strategy. We should make sure that we satisfy all these points, we answer all these points to attract and to retain rural consumers. Thank you.